Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Chemical equations and speed distribution graphs can look intimidating, but we can solve this quickly. Let's analyze these temperature curves to find the right answer. First, look at the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution graph provided. The curve for temperature 2 is shifted to the right and flattened compared to temperature 1, which tells us something very important. Since the peak for temperature 2 occurs at a higher speed, we know that temperature 2 is actually the higher temperature. Higher temperatures always mean the particles move much faster overall. Kinetic molecular theory states higher temperatures cause more energetic collisions. Molecules collide with more average energy at temperature 2, making option D correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing when reading graphs. Always trust the given kinetic molecular theory rules.